superheroes so we can save the day. Wherever there is trouble, we're on our way. Let's be superheroes so we can save the world. With our superpowers, we're superboys, supergirls, we're superheroes. Let's be superheroes so we can save the day.
Welcome back. Meet your teachers. Let's talk about some procedures and safety measures and our school-wide schedule. In the meantime, here's a message from Mrs. Folds.
Hey, Wildcat families! It is almost time for you to come back to school, and we are so excited. We've missed you like crazy. We are going to start school Wednesday, September 9th, and school starts at 8:05, but you can be here by 7:45 for breakfast. There are lots of different things that you are going to need to know when you come back, or for when you come back, and so that's what this slideshow is going to be all about, the things that you can expect when you come back to school. So let's go inside and meet your teachers, but first we have to mask up. Come on, let's go.
Hi Kinders, I'm Mrs. Sambira and I can't wait to see your superpowers.
Hi first graders, it's Mrs. Pack. I can't wait to fly into this new year with you. See you soon.
Hi second grade, it's Mrs. Greenway. I can't wait to soar into second grade with you.
Hi third graders, this is Mr. Kimbler. Looking forward to seeing you.
Hi fourth grade, it's Mrs. Mack. I can't wait to see you next week with your superhero masks.
Hi, fifth graders, it's me, Mrs. P. I can't wait to get back to work with you.
Hey Wolverine kids, K5. I'm Mrs. Saintamore and I am looking forward to seeing you back at school to do our K5 specials.
Don't forget about our wonderful title staff. They're waiting for your arrival as well. We have a new super special education teacher, Mrs. Johnson. Our support staff, the secretary, bus drivers, custodians, kitchen, and maintenance crew are waiting for your arrival. But the schedule will be breakfast at 7:45 a.m. Classes start at 8:05 and the day ends at 2:15. We have a few rules that are new this year. Wear a mask when you're in shared spaces. Always stay 6 feet away from others. Wash your hands and use hand sanitizer often. And don't share your supplies. Breakfast is available for all students and will be served in our classroom. Students will not be allowed to enter the building until 7:45 a.m. They will enter through assigned doors and walk directly to their classrooms for breakfast. We will have students who are being picked up leaving from assigned doors. Please pick up your students at the same location you drop them off. Pickup time is between 2:10 and 2:15. Kindergarten and first grade will need to be dropped off at the sidewalk to the left of the main entrance on Shoal Street. Please use Roosevelt Street, turn left at the stop sign, and form a drop-off line starting at the sidewalk. Students should remain in the vehicle until 7:45 a.m. Only allow your child to exit the vehicle once you have stopped in front of the sidewalk. Proceed through the elementary parking lot on Martha Street. Students in grade 2 and 3 can be dropped off at the south entrance. Again, only allow your students to exit the vehicle once you have pulled up to the sidewalk. Students must remain in the vehicles until 7:45 a.m. Drive slowly through the parking lot. down Martha Street and proceed around the corner onto Paul Street. Then turn right onto Shoals. 4th and 5th grade students can be dropped off and picked up at their classroom doors. Make sure you pull over to the side so that traffic is able to move around your vehicle. On the bus, you must wear a mask. Your bus driver will contact you with your pickup time. Buses will use the same drop-off pickup doors for each class. Masks worn by students and teachers. Sneeze guards in classrooms. Those are on the way. Carpet circles for social distancing. Breakfast and lunch is in the classroom. Classes are kept together and separate from all other classes. Schedules for shared areas. For example, we will not all be in the hallway at the same time. Classes are assigned entrances and exits. We are requiring that you always wear a mask in common areas, and we have to wear our mask in class until our sneeze guards arrive. Students will be given mask breaks throughout the day, and classes will meet outside whenever possible. We will be unable to have parent or community volunteers this year. Thank you for understanding. Please help at home. Every parent is a learning coach for their child, whether face-to-face or online. Your child needs your support and guidance to be successful. Please contact the schools if you have any questions. Mrs. Olds is willing to take your call. If you would like to contact your teachers, please do so. They'd love to answer any questions for you as well.
We want to learn, we want to grow. Come on, everyone, let's go. Let's go here.